Hello! Today's crafting video did not go as planned, but I did not give up. Neither should you. I know. It's Halloween season, not Christmas season. You're right. But I'm feeling a little grinchy today, so I think it suits me just fine. Who says you can't be a Grinch in September and still do Halloween stuff? You want to know why I'm feeling grinchy? Let me show you real quick. This right here. Can you see that? Yeah. Look at all that ripping up. Rip, 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 rip. Rip. You see that disaster awaiting for me. I was going fine. I was going peachy. But it started when I had these spiders cut out. You know why? Yes, the spider looks perfect, but they were supposed to be cut on glitter paper. And last video I said, hey, remember to select your first page that pops up before you go to continue to make it. Or it's going to cut out what you last clicked on. I last clicked on my spiders, and guess what it did? It cut the spiders out on my black paper that I was thinking is going to cut out the spider webs and the bats. Nope. So, drink up, Grinches. Now we get to take the shower. Oof, 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 oof. Oh, and I did pause this in the middle of the cut because it wasn't cutting. Look at that. I guess this is going to be a disaster video, not a come make this cute stuff with me, because it's kind of a disaster. At least my bats are pretty salvageable. Yep. Your word for today's craft video: salvageable. Salvageable. I was not expecting this today, but does anybody expect a craft failure? No? No? Alright, let's try this again. What's going up on here? This is the bats. It's just a full sheet of bats, because this is apparently a batty craft. Obviously, I have a wardrobe change. Thought, hey, maybe if I change my clothes into something a little bit more spooky, things will work out. No, it did not work out. But I think it might be because that paper cardstock is a little bit too heavy for the details I'm trying to make it do. It might just be a combination of needing a new blade, and it's just not a day to craft, apparently. But we're gonna make it. Whatever we get at the end is what we're gonna work with. We don't get spider webs. We don't get spider webs. We just gonna have spiders and bats on the walls and the windows. Who cares? Make a sign that says, follow the spiders. Yeah. Let me know in the comments if you know where that came from, because I am one of those nerds. Alright, take 4. We shall see. We shall see. Yes. Looks like I need a new blade, because this is what it did with the white. So, I'm pretty sure I'm going to need a new blade. But we're going to salvage this big piece, because You know I don't waste things. Some of this is we're gonna cover it up with spiders. That's what we're gonna do. No, not everything you do is gonna work out fine. It's life. You're gonna learn how to adjust and move on. And this is one of those projects that you just need to either work with what you got or go to the store and get you what you need. And I'm not going to the store right now. It's about to be nap time. Nope. I'm just going to work with what I got. It's okay. This is for me. It's not for anybody else. It's for me. It's for me to look at. Getting all these bats out. I'll go a little batty with the decorations. This is one of the things that did work out. I'm glad it did. At least something worked out. May not completely because I'm having to pick this away, but a little bit, you know? I do have this. This worked out fine. And you saw this earlier. It does have this piece that's kind of messed up, but we're going to add a little spider and then you're not even going to see it. It's going to be good. And then we have a little corner piece that's messed up right there. But again, we're going to add a little spider and you're not going to see it. Yes, indeed. I was planning on doing like a double piece on top of these if I have ones, but I don't think it cut the extra bats out that I needed. Maybe it did. Nope, maybe it didn't. Alright. I am gonna move you so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, I might have everything. I don't have the fat one though. I'm missing the fat bat. It's okay. We'll work with what we got. Remember? Work with what we got. We're using the good old double-sided foam tape. Just gonna stick some foam on that one. Peel it off. Gonna give it a little 3D effect, kind of, a little bit, just slightly. Better than nothing. Glad I didn't. I have something I'm working on. I don't want to spill the beans just yet, but I do need a better blade if this is what it's gonna give me. Oh look, you see how that's messed up? We're about to cover it with a new bat. See, they're working out. They're working out. That's fine. Okay, that little piece is done. I do have quite a bit more spiders, but I think they're going to be losing their legs. And then once it got down here, it just kind of stopped cutting. I mean, they're on here, but they didn't get cut out. It's like it just squirted on the paper. And that one's not even cut all the way out. So I had sneakily went to my sister's apartment and I put these, like she had the two big window door type things to her apartment, and I decorated it with spider webs and spiders and bats, just all over the place. She immediately knew it was me because I'm the crafter in the family, but she had a little thrill seeing it on the door. And actually, she didn't even see it first. Ken, her other half, he saw it when he came home after work. Like, I was driving out as he was driving in, so I just barely missed him. And he barely just missed me. So he saw it when he was walking into the house and then told Abby about it. So, and then she texted me a little later. Work with what we got. We're going to use these two, I think, just for my little kitchen thingy over there. So I'm going to turn you around so you can see what we're doing. Some of these spiders are a little sad and they lost their legs, but yeah. I'm just going to keep moving. This is what I was talking about. A piece right here. Right there. And right there. Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah. He has friends up here. Coming on down. Oh, this one's shiny. And then the spiders. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. There'll be more out. That's one way that you can help this channel. And if you want the spider webs and the bats and spiders file, it is at ivylilies.com. It's in the Magical Crafting Library for free. You just gotta go in there, get it, download it, and get it cut out. And you probably won't have the difficulties that I had today because I need a new blade. All you got to do is follow the spiders. We interrupt this program to bring you a kid who has unplugged the machinery. This cat's gone batty. Nuts! Batty nuts!